Hello, this is Michael Lewis back again here at the Almo AV show in Dallas, Texas. Wanted to show you that Kramer has an array of all kinds of products here at the show. We have T-Bus, which are table-mounted solutions for conference rooms. We have a configurator that you can configure pretty much any shape or size that you need for your conference room. Active optical audio cables, a whole array of adapters and problem solvers for HDMI, for DisplayPort. We also have a configurator on our website for wall plates, passive wall plates, active wall plates. We have a cell phone charger that you can actually install into your tabletop, or you can buy it with a T-Bus, install it into the lid, and you can charge your phone that way, as well as have the configurations that you need for your conference room. We also have this PT 3H2, which is a extender for HDMI, which does amazing performance. And then the other thing that we have amplifiers as well. We have a whole slew of amplifiers for Kramer. We have our DIP31 conference room multi-format switcher. We have our HD base C transmitter and extenders. We have a whole slew of those. And we also have design services that we do where we can actually do good, better, best conference room packages so that we can do the entire job or installation for your room. For some more information, you can go to Almo representative or go to kramerus.com.